For your convenience, your GV70 comes equipped with an automatic power liftgate. From the driver's seat, you can operate the power liftgate with the button located on the left side of the dashboard. To open the liftgate, press and hold the button. This button will work anytime the engine is on or off, as long as a vehicle is in park. To stop the liftgate at any point, press the button again a single time. On the smart key fob, you can press and hold the power liftgate open button for more than 1 second to open or close the liftgate. To stop the liftgate at any point, press the button again a single time. To open from the outside of the vehicle, you can press the liftgate open-close button located just below the rear window wiper. To stop the liftgate at any point, press the inside power liftgate open-close button a single time. The power liftgate will also automatically reverse or stop if it detects any obstructions when moving. If you are carrying the smart key fob, pressing the power liftgate lock button when the vehicle is turned off will close the liftgate and lock all doors. This is useful when removing cargo and leaving the vehicle parked afterwards. To set the opening height of the power liftgate to a custom setting, manually stop the liftgate at the desired height. Then press and hold the open-close button for more than 3 seconds. Alternatively, a custom liftgate height can be set in the infotainment settings by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Door Liftgate, Power Liftgate Opening Height, and then selecting the desired height option on screen. The power liftgate opening speed can also be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Door Liftgate, Power liftgate speed, and then selecting between fast or standard. The standard smart liftgate allows for easy hands-free opening and closing of the liftgate. First, be sure the smart liftgate is enabled. Select Setup, then Vehicle, then Door Liftgate, and then select Smart Liftgate. Smart Liftgate is default off from the factory to prevent accidental activation. Once enabled, if you have the smart key inside your pocket and the vehicle is locked, you can stand within 3 feet of the rear bumper for more than 3 seconds. After the hazard lights flash and the chime sounds 6 times, the smart liftgate will open automatically. If you mistakenly entered the smart liftgate sensing area and you wish to stop the rear from opening, simply walk away from the vehicle while the chime is still sounding and the liftgate will remain closed. In addition, if you press any button on the smart key during this alert phase, the smart liftgate function will be deactivated temporarily and the rear will not open. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.